All right, you know what we say, 5 minutes a day over time will make us dangerous. I'm going to look at this one here, which is what China set to open stock trading. Investors lay groundwork. O'Connor, the $5.6 billion hedge fund owned by UBS, has been expanding its presence in Asia. It has hired traders from UBS proprietary trading desk to work in its Hong Kong and Singapore offices. In August, it hired John Yu, a former analyst at SAC Capital Advisors. It is not alone. Bankers, brokerages, firms, and hedge funds have all been quietly expanding their Asian operations to take advantage of one event, the biggest opening into China in years. So they just now are starting, I guess, their own stock market, I'm assuming. Hedge funds snubbed, whatever on that. China plans to connect to Shanghai Stock Exchange to its counterpart in Hong Kong over the next month, and as part of an initiative announced by the Premier Liu this year to open China's market to foreign investors who have been largely shut out. So they're actually opening their own stock market. This is crazy, y'all. Stock traders sit at all desk faces an electronic board on the trading floor of the Hong Kong Stock Exchange in Hong Kong, China. The move will allow foreign investors to trade the shares of companies listed on the Shanghai Stock Exchange directly for the first time, and mainland China investors to buy shares in companies listed in Hong Kong. So we used to be the major powerhouse when it came to stocks and trades and stuff like that. That's why the World Trade Center was so big when that was hit. This is crazy though. The potential rewards of the open market between the mainland and Hong Kong are enormous for investors. Currently, the way for foreign investors to trade Chinese stocks is directly through a limited quota program that allows a trickle of foreign money into the country. This is the single most important development in China's intention to internationalize this market. One senior Western banker of Asia said that the planned reform, speaking on the condition he not be named because was not authorized to speak publicly on the matter. Sorry about that, y'all. The program called Shanghai Stock Connect will create the second largest equity market in the world in terms of the market value of the combined listed companies, said Don Fitzpatrick, the chief investment officer of O'Connor. The largest remains in New York Stock Exchange. So, yeah, I want to keep my eye open on this and see how that's going to affect our market with them coming up with their own market. So, it's going to be interesting. All right, let's go to the pre-markets, and then we'll look over at the Adidas stock. I didn't know about that. That was China starting their own stock exchange. That is interesting. All right, so we're down right now below 2,000 again. The Dow is up. Russell is down. Europe is up. Asia Pacific is kind of mixed. Currencies is mixed. Commodities is down. Treasuries are down. Sectors. I wonder how that market will affect our U.S. Treasuries. That'll be interesting. Okay. All right, let's go here real quick into my stock portfolio. Let's go here so you can see, because this is actually Adidas. So it wasn't trading at the 200 and something. This is actually Adidas. The other one was called another company, which blew my mind, but it's trading at $62 a share. So we'll go in here real quick and let's see here. I want to see what the 5-year is on this. So we're looking at $61 and $63. And I've got to find a software before I buy a stock that shows me what their target is, because I can't find the target in any of this information here. And I like to know that before I buy it. So that's something I'll be researching, and we can kind of go through that together as we go through this journey of understanding stocks. So let me refresh this here, because you would like to know what their projections are before you jump out there. So, all right, my double up with the other company is moved up to 248, and I'm dumping this thing at 261. So I'm up almost $400, where I sold off at about an $899 loss, close to $900 loss, somewhere around there. So it's working. I just need to see if this is going to tweak itself back up to 261, and instead of me trying to get my money back, maybe I'll double up and make more money than I lost. So we'll keep our eyes on that. I'm going to go ahead and execute some trades real quick. So we'll buy that Adidas stock. paste that in here. I want to see if I do that, will it automatically, and let's just say we're going to look at 200. Close. Yeah, it doesn't show their target even in there. Alright, so let's get aggressive and go 200 shares of stock, and then I'll make that trade. Alright, that's all I got. 5 minutes a day over time will make you dangerous. Have a great day.